The ultimate adventure, epic desert safari in Dubai. Hey, adventure junkies, ready to ditch the skyscrapers and dive headfirst into the heart of the Arabian desert? I'm your guide, and today we're embarking on an unforgettable desert safari in Dubai. Get ready for adrenaline-pumping thrills, breathtaking landscapes, and a taste of authentic Emirati culture. Forget the city buzz, we're chasing sunsets and sand dunes. This is more than just a tour, it's an experience that will ignite your soul. Hold on tight, because our first stop is dune bashing. Our expert driver will navigate these golden mountains in a powerful 4x4. Feel the rush as we climb steep dunes and then plunge down the other side. It's like a roller coaster, but with sand instead of tracks. The views from the top of these dunes are absolutely incredible. You'll want to have your camera ready. Next up, we're trading our boards for sandboards. Time to carve some turns on these silky slopes. Don't worry if you're a beginner. It's easier than it looks. Just strap in, find your balance, and let gravity do its thing. The feeling of gliding down a sand dune is pure exhilaration, and the soft landing is a bonus. Now, let's slow things down and experience the desert the traditional way, on camelback. These gentle giants have been traversing these sands for centuries. Enjoy a leisurely ride as we soak in the vastness and tranquility of the desert. It's a chance to connect with nature and appreciate the simple beauty of the landscape. Imagine yourself as a Bedouin nomad crossing the desert under the warm Arabian sun. This is a truly authentic experience. As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, prepare to witness a breathtaking spectacle. The desert transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The sky explodes with hues of orange, pink, and purple, painting a picture that will stay with you forever. This is the magic of the desert sunset. Find a comfortable spot, breathe in the fresh air, and let the beauty of nature wash over you. It's a moment of pure serenity. Our adventure continues at a traditional Bedouin camp. Here, we'll immerse ourselves in Emirati culture and hospitality. We'll be greeted with Arabic coffee and dates, a symbol of welcome and generosity. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the camp. From the traditional tents to the colorful carpets, every element reflects the rich heritage of the Bedouin people. Get your hands adorned with intricate henna designs, a beautiful and ancient art form. These temporary tattoos are a unique souvenir of your desert adventure. Witness the majestic art of falconry, a traditional hunting practice that showcases the incredible bond between humans and these magnificent birds. Learn about the history and significance of falconry in Emirati culture. It's a truly captivating experience. As darkness falls, we'll gather around a bonfire for a delicious buffet dinner. Indulge in a variety of traditional Emirati dishes, cooked to perfection. From grilled meats to flavorful stews, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Savor the authentic flavors of the Arabian desert. Enjoy your meal under a blanket of stars, surrounded by the sounds of the desert night. It's a truly magical dining experience. After dinner, prepare to be mesmerized by captivating performances. The Tanura dance is a whirling dervish spectacle of color and energy. The belly dancing is a graceful and sensual art form that will leave you spellbound. These performances are a celebration of Arabian culture and tradition. Let the rhythmic music and mesmerizing movements transport you to another world. It's a feast for the senses. As the night deepens, take a moment to gaze up at the stars. Far away from the city lights, the desert sky is a canvas of celestial wonders. Marvel at the brilliance of the Milky Way and try to spot constellations. It's a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe. Share stories and laughter around the bonfire as you soak in the peaceful atmosphere of the desert night. As our desert safari comes to an end, we'll bid farewell to this magical place, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. From the adrenaline-pumping dune bashing to the serene camel trek, this adventure has been an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep seeking adventure.